So maybe you're sick of wearing ties to work every week. Or maybe your boss is just a little bit too much like one of these guys right here. Whatever the reason is doesn't really matter. What matters is that you're looking to start an online business and you don't have a lot of cash to get started. So this video is the 7 best online business ideas for 2021 that you can use to make money while not having to invest a lot of money into the business. Now, idea number 1 is called Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP. And what this is it's actually writing books that can go onto Amazon. Now, you don't have to have a crazy amount of experience, and you don't have to be a great writer for this to work. You can even write children's books that are 10, 20, 30 words long in total, basically the size of a tweet, and you can still do fine with this. So if you look on the Amazon Kindle store, you can see that there's hundreds and hundreds of categories, there's subcategories, there's a ton of places you can place books. You can sell books for anywhere from $1.99 to $10, $20, $30. Now the key here is to choose a niche and to go as deep as you can. So you're obviously not gonna rank for the best entrepreneurship book on the internet probably, but you can write a book for a very small subsection of entrepreneurship, maybe a book about how to make YouTube videos or something else that you're an expert at, and you can start getting sales organically every single day from Amazon using a book. You can even go onto Fiverr.com and you can order illustrations for this book. You can order really cool children's book illustrations, or you can order, like more adultish illustrations like these. And honestly, if you're in a lot of categories, you don't even need to have illustrations. You just need to be able to give them information. Now, obviously, Amazon is gonna take a small cut of every book sold, but that's their right because they're the one that's bringing you traffic and customers to your book. Now, the next best thing, and honestly probably my favorite way of getting started when you have $0 in the bank and you don't want to put a single dollar into your online business, is flipping. So all you've got to do is go to sites like Facebook.com, Craigslist.com, and a lot of communities have local versions of this as well. All you've got to do is type in free, and you'll see people around you throwing in all kinds of stuff that's free, just giving it away. Now in your head, you might think, why would someone give away something when they could sell it on these sites? And I'll tell you why. So just a couple years ago, me and my wife were moving, and we got to the final day in our house, so it was moving day, and we realized that our bed, our dresser, a couple armoires, a lot of stuff wouldn't fit in our moving van. That means that we had about 2 hours to sell this stuff, and we had nowhere to put it if we couldn't sell it. So we were completely desperate, and we gave away a queen-size bed, we gave away a really nice dresser, we gave away half of what we owned to people that probably did exactly what I'm telling us to do here. All you've got to do is type in free, go pick up the stuff that's free, throw it back onto Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, and you can sell it for 50 to 100 bucks in just a few days. Then you can take the money that you've made from that and you can start investing that into one of these other side hustle businesses where you can start earning some money, maybe a little more passively. The third idea is drop shipping. And if you haven't heard of drop shipping, all we're doing is we're creating online stores for physical products. When someone goes to buy those physical products, we're buying them from China or somewhere similar for cheaper, and then we're selling them and shipping them to our customers for a little more. So you don't actually have to put in any money to buy these products until you've already made the sale and you've already been paid. Now this means that it's really, really low risk. All you've got to do is create a Shopify account like this one. That costs about $29 a month and you get a free trial. Next thing you've got to do is connect this in with AliExpress. AliExpress is just a big marketplace where you can go and buy things really cheap from China, and then you can connect the two. Every time someone goes to your Shopify store and buys, it automatically buys the product from AliExpress, ships it to them, and you're kind of just the front end middleman. Now the pros here are it pretty much costs nothing to get started with this, and you can make some money fairly quickly on some items that are $10, $20, $30. The con is that you can have some nightmares in customer service as you have these issues with different suppliers and things not shipping products, and in the end it can be really hard to manage if you're doing it all yourself. You can market these products completely for free on places like TikTok or Instagram, or you can start running paid ads if you've got a little bit of budget to try and accelerate that process. The next idea is one that's my personal favorite. It's what allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job. In fact, let's take off this tie right now. And it's affiliate marketing. Now what affiliate marketing is you market a company's products for them, and when someone buys, you make money. And so affiliate marketing is really, really simple to understand. It's a little bit harder to execute, but essentially you choose a company that has a product you like, you join their affiliate program, they give you a special link that looks kind of like this one on the screen, and that tracks every customer that comes from you. You go out on the internet on places like TikTok or a blog or a YouTube channel like this one, and you make videos about that product, or you write blog posts about that product. When people read or watch your content and they decide to buy that product, they click on your special link and you get paid. Now, the reason I love affiliate marketing so much is there's no support. There's no really anything except for being good at marketing. Once you learn how to get good at marketing and building an audience and getting people to click these links, you're able to make money, and you can make it fairly passively, and you don't have to deal with all the other things that come with owning a company. Now, the con of affiliate marketing is a lot of affiliate programs tend to be fairly oversaturated, and there's a lot of people trying to make money with them, which makes it a little bit harder for you as a brand new beginner. But if affiliate marketing interests you, I want you to click this link and start watching this video. It'll show you how to get started in affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. Now, the next way, and this is one of my favorite ways to earn passive income, is by being a blogger. Hence, we're sitting on a bed. By the way, hopefully you've noticed at this point that we're changing locations throughout this video. We're having fun with it. If you like what you're watching, you feel like you're learning anything at all, go ahead and click subscribe. Making money online is what this channel is all about. Anyway, back to blogging. Blogging is writing articles on a blog, and you show up in Google, just like this right here. So someone, a potential customer of yours, types something into Google, they see all these different options, they click one of these options and end up on your blog. Now, in that blog, typically you can make money as an affiliate marketer, or you can make money as a drop shipper, or you can make money just by putting ads like these in your blog. Whatever the way you choose, though, you're basically putting out written content. Google is finding that content and sending customers your way. Now, it's really important to understand, if you're looking to make some side hustle money right now, or even in the next 6 months, blogging is definitely not the route for you. Blogging takes quite a while to get off the ground. It's just really, really awesome once it gets running, and it can send passive income your way for a very long time. Now, if you want to get started blogging, there's a link down below to the 21-day blogs challenge. That does cost $100, but that can give you 21 days of step-by-step instructions on how to set up a blog and make all this work and happen. Now, the reason I chose this next one is that it's really a way to make money quickly. So if you're looking to make money in the next 30, 60, 90 days, this is an awesome route for that, and it's a route that can make a lot of money. You can be up to $5,000 to $10,000 a month within a few months using this strategy. Now, what we're doing here is we're creating a digital marketing agency, meaning that you're offering digital marketing services to companies or solo entrepreneurs. So things like copywriting, website design, graphic design, video editing, all these things that these small businesses need to have done that they want to hire out, you can start specializing in one of them, and you can make a lot of money. I've seen people start Facebook ad agencies, for example, that are making $10,000 in 60 days just by running Facebook ads for customers. So for this, you'll need to pick a skill that you're good at, and then you're actually going to go out and have to find clients. Now, the con is just that. You've got to go find clients, and you're going to have to manage and maintain relationships with these clients. But you can typically sell someone and get a $1,000 down payment in the first 30 days of doing this. If you do right by your clients, you can be making $1,000 a month off of one single client. And the last one is what I do. This is my YouTube office right here where I film my YouTube videos. Typically, to me, there's no better side hustle or online business than being a YouTuber. If you can find a way to get comfortable being in front of a camera, you can make insane amounts of money on YouTube within your first few years. As a YouTuber, you can get paid by the ads that run on your channel, you can get paid as an affiliate marketer, you can get paid as a drop shipper, and the YouTube algorithm is really unique in that not only can people search and find your videos like we're seeing on the screen, but YouTube has this recommended column right here, so it's kind of like got this viral algorithm running at the same time as it's got this search engine algorithm running, and your content can blow up in multiple different ways. Now that I'm saying this, I would love to know if you could leave a comment and let me know how you found this video. That would be very helpful to me. Now, just like some of the other methods we talked about, YouTube can bring in crazy amounts of passive income. In fact, I'm going to show you this channel right here on the screen. This is a YouTube channel I started in 2016. I've only put out 2, maybe 3 videos in the past 2 years. And this channel still brings in $500 from ads and $500 to $1,000 a month from other affiliate products and things like that as well. Guys, there are dozens of ways to make money online. All it takes is focus and hard work, and you can quit your job just like the millions of other people that have done it. And remember, one of the best things you can do to get started is click subscribe on this channel, because that's what we're all about. And it never hurts to watch another video either.